Welcome to Travel with Phil. In South Africa, there's so many activities to do, from hiking the Table Mountain, where the video can be found on that link up there. Also, you can use the cable car to go up the Table Mountain if you're not into hiking. But you can also hike the Lion's Head. But there are so many other things. You can visit the city to see different old buildings and castles. You can take the road that leads to Camps Bay that is so beautiful. You can also go to see the penguins and so many other activities as outlined in this video. Enjoy! My name is Phyllis Kirago and I'm a digital nomad.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future.
There are two places you're supposed to go when you're at Boulders Beach. One, take the walkway to the beach. It's actually nice. You might see some penguins. And then come where you get to pay. But they have a walkway that's free, the one that we're walking at. But back there, I'll show you, there's a gate where now you pay the entrance fee to go see the colony along the beach. But they're so cute. Oh, I want to take one home with me. I can't though. And they smell like chicken. A lot of chicken in one place. And all the poo.
Side by side and through and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more.
I'm so happy I can really see
Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
penguins of Madagascar. I'm so happy. A moment so I can
You and
get
I, we got it.
Lion's Head.
Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. I've never really been the one who's worried. Always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid.
The next stop is City Hall.
I've always put
Behind
my
me,
feet
it was built in like
wherever
1905. There's a massive clock tower up there. I don't know if you can see it, and an organ that is inside. So if you want to see it, you can come. It's a nice stop right in the middle of Cape Town.
Knowing that it's not just you, it's me. 'Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free.
Welcome to Cape Town and Table Mountain, Lion's Head. This point is called Signal Hill. It has like 3 viewpoints. One you see the Lion's Head, one you see the Table Mountain, the other one you can see the view of the city. So awesome. And it's free to just come here, drive up here. You can get an Uber if you're not driving. And you can also paraglide. They do that here too. So you can do those things here. And now I'm gonna go see the stadium with my colleagues. I left my phone here. So there is the stadium where the World Cup was held. Down there. So there is a rugby game, and so we can already see fans in there. Oh.
'Cause I was made to be free.
Are you literally just sitting on the bag? Oh my I would definitely do it. Yeah.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes.
Okay. That's the only question I'll ask.
Yeah. Who is at the front? The guide is at the back, right?
Yeah,
The guy is
and they have a GoPro,
yeah, GoPro.
Oh.
so you get a recording of it as well.
Nice. So this is a signal hill where you can do paragliding. It's on the gliding. You can do paragliding. It's on the other side, and you can see a very nice view of Table Mountain and Lion's Head and the stadium and the city and everything. To the waterfront. It's a huge shopping mall with every brand you'd ever think of. Every brand. Literally, you name it, you got it. They've got one supermarket, the Pick and Pay. They got all shops. You can buy your SIM cards or your phones. And so yeah, they outside they've got the wheel where you can see an overview of Cape Town, and they also have the aquarium and a lot of other things. The harbor where you can get a cruise. So the waterfront is one of the places you have to stop by when you're in Cape Town.